These are all the files that are in my Nintendo Switch. I got them from this YouTube video. I will be placing this YouTube video on the link to the seller in eBay. I use this link. His website. It'll be in the link, and when I send it to you, these are all the files that I put into my Nintendo Switch. I'm not sure this is supposed to be in here, but if you have any comments, please tell me in the email. As you can see here, I have NS Atmosphere. I just put Hekate 4.8. I will exit this. Now I'm going to set up my Nintendo Switch so you can see what is the problem with my Nintendo Switch. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, here's my Nintendo Switch. Here's my Nintendo Switch. I'm going to put it in the RCM mode now. Just wait.